Kit is a self-administering kit that patients can obtain at the dental clinic after a consultation and the preparation of a customized mouth tray. The Natural Plus Home Kit ensures optimal results. Our exclusive Natural Plus Gel, which is more efficient and effective than any other product, guarantees no side effects or sensitivities. Home treatment will begin with the patient brushing their teeth using our unique Power Prep Plus toothpaste. The toothpaste is composed of similar ingredients as the Power Prep Plus gel used in the clinic. The Whitening gel syringe is designed to help the patient to evenly fill the mouth tray. Each press releases a measured quantity, and the patient just needs to fill one drop for each two in the mouth tray. It's that simple. The tray should be inserted to the mouth for 60 minutes, daily until the desired shade is reached. The Natural Plus Home Kit is a great solution that you can offer your patients for whitening maintenance. It includes all the great benefits of the Natural Plus Professional Kit. Deep and effective penetration along with slow mineral release. After 60 minutes, the patient should remove the mouth tray and rinse their mouth, washing the tray and returning it to the tray box. When the mouth is clean, the patient should apply number 5 Nourishing and Soothing Balm. The Natural Plus Home Kit is extremely effective for completing treatment in severe cases and for periodical maintenance after whitening, according to instructions given by the dentist.